RXS crypto price prediction. What if you bought $100 worth of Rexas Finance RXS and held for 10 years? The appeal of cryptocurrencies is in their capacity to turn small investments into amazing riches. Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin have shown that holding the correct token in the long term may result in life-altering profits. Many are thinking, what if you invested $100 in Rexas Finance RXS today and held it for the next 10 years? Rexas Finance RXS is a token making headlines for its asset tokenizing innovation, which is now under more focus. The starting point, RXS at $0.175. In its 11th pre-sale stage, Rexas Finance features each RXS token valued at $0.175, reflecting great investor confidence. The pre-sale has already raised $37.3 million, selling 403.9 million tokens. From its starting pre-sale price of 3 cents, this price marks over a 6x gain, indicating consistent growth even before reaching significant exchanges. Investing $100 at the present price would get about 571 RXS tokens. Although this may seem like a small sum, history reveals that, over time, early investments in viable cryptocurrencies can offer exponential returns. The case for long-term growth. Markets for cryptocurrencies sometimes value patience. Driven by adoption, usability, and market expansion, investors who have kept Bitcoin or Ethereum for more than 10 years have witnessed unthinkable returns. Rexas Finance is a strong prospect for similar long-term success because of its emphasis on practical value. Revolutionizing asset tokenization. Rexas Finance is forging a niche in tokenizing actual assets, including intellectual property, fine art, and real estate. By turning these physical assets into blockchain-based tokens, Rexas Finance solves long-standing inefficiencies in established markets, providing liquidity, accessibility, and transparency. Rexas Finance is positioned to gain significant value as asset tokenization becomes a multi-trillion-dollar sector. This will stimulate demand for RXS tokens and drive higher values over the years. Adoption and ecosystem growth. Using its token builder and launchpad, Rexas Finance helps develop bespoke tokens and introduce fresh blockchain initiatives. This environment stimulates creativity and increases the number of applications for RXS, generating ongoing demand. Scarcity and tokenomics. There are limited RXS tokens overall. Hence, as the platform becomes more popular, the balance between demand and supply is projected to drive prices higher. Token examples from Binance Coin BNB and Solana SOL show how effectively well-organized tokenomics may spur long-term price increases. Projecting the future, 10 years of RXS. Though exact forecasts are unattainable, extending from past crypto trends presents interesting opportunities. Let's examine a few possibilities. Scenario 1, modest growth. Should RXS only mildly increase at an average yearly rate of 50% over the next 10 years? The token price by 2035 would be around $16.21. With a return of 9,150%, your $100 investment would subsequently be worth more than $9,250. Scenario 2, explosive growth. Should RXS follow the path of tokens such as Solana? With a 198x gain in value similar to SOL's expansion from 2020 to 2022, the token price may reach $34 in a few years. 10 years of steady development could bring prices above $100. Your 571 tokens, in this instance, would be valued at $19,428. Scenario 3, market leader status. The token price would change greatly if Rexas Finance had a $10 billion market capitalization. If market acceptance and ecosystem development rank RXS as a top 10 cryptocurrency, $200 or more values would be reasonable, transforming your $100 investment into a six-figure portfolio. The role of time in crypto wealth. Investing in cryptocurrencies depends much on time. Many early Bitcoin and Ethereum investors watched their meager initial outlay expand into millions only through market cycles. Still, given the volatility of the crypto market, conviction and patience are vital. Together with listings on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, Rexas Finance's creative use case, great pre-sale performance, and CertiK audit legitimacy help to promote its long-term prospects. These elements help to make it a project with both immediate attraction and long-lasting influence appealing. Risks and considerations. Like any investment, RXS is subject to hazards. Regulation changes, competitiveness, and market mood could all affect its trajectory. Even when investing in promising tokens like Rexas Finance, diversification is still absolutely important. Moreover, the crypto business changes quickly. Success depends on Rexas Finance innovating, growing its ecosystem, and gaining market share. Final thoughts: the long-term vision. With its emphasis on asset tokenization and distributed financial solutions, Rexas Finance reflects the direction of blockchain invention. Though the $100 investment now seems little, for those ready to keep it for the long run, the token's utility and growth potential could present a transforming possibility. Although no guarantees are associated with any investment, RXS is a convincing option for investors hoping to understand the next wave of crypto wealth creation. Its strong foundations, increasing acceptance, and obvious value proposition make it a compelling choice. In 10 years, your modest investment will likely become the narrative of a lifetime. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news crypto.